DJCU works with all 4 big DJ apps: Traktor, Serato, Rekordbox, and Virtual DJ. But DJCU doesn't convert to and from all of these apps. Some are two-way conversions, for example, Rekordbox to Serato DJ and Serato DJ to Rekordbox, while others are one-way, for example, Virtual DJ to Rekordbox, Rekordbox to DJ Pro. Now, it can sound confusing, so here's a list of some of the possible conversions: Rekordbox to Serato, and Serato to Rekordbox, Rekordbox to Traktor and Traktor to Rekordbox, Virtual DJ to Rekordbox, Rekordbox to DJ Pro, Rekordbox to iTunes, Mixed In Key to Rekordbox, Mixed In Key to Traktor. Now, if you're looking at this graphic and you want to convert, say, a Serato library to a Traktor library, you can do that. What you need to do first is to convert your Serato library to a Rekordbox library, and then to convert that Rekordbox library over onto Traktor. And I've got a full list of these conversion recipes over on the full review on our website. I've got a link to that in the description box below. Now let's get started to actually converting a library. So I want to convert my Serato library over onto a Rekordbox one. So let's try it out. I just wanted to show you first the demo library that I created with Serato. So here it is. Let me pull up my Serato right now. So I've got a collection here with around 18 songs. Yeah, just the demo library. And then I've also created a playlist with those songs. So what's going to happen is all of these songs plus this playlist are going to be transferred and converted from a Serato collection, Serato library, over onto a Rekordbox one. And I also want to point out that I've got 2 songs loaded here, and you can see that I've got hotkeys in them, right? So for this Stevie Nicks song, I've got 4 hotkeys here: intro, verse, outro, and one that doesn't have a label. It just has a timestamp. And over here on the right, I've got a track from Nile Rodgers and Chic. Intro, verse, and outro, I've got those hotkeys as well. So we're going to see all of these things make the transition from being in a Serato library over onto Rekordbox. And I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. So having seen that, let's minimize Serato and let's head on over to DJCU menu. So I'm going to click Serato over here because we are converting from a Serato library. There we go. And then over here, we're going to see the options that are possible. So first up, you've got this rule for hotkeys and cue loops to drop down. You have 3 different options here. I think this is a good one. This is the default. And then you can also have this advanced selection method box ticked. So basically this lets you choose only particular songs to be included in the export. You can specify a date if you want to. I don't need to do that. And you've also got other conversion parameters here, which I won't go into. So right now, it's pretty simple. I can just click on Start Conversion. And it's going to start the conversion process. Right? And then now this is going to ask us what playlists we want to include. So I only have 1 playlist in there. So it's going to be this. Click OK. It's going to crunch all that data. Then it's going to do the export from Serato to Rekordbox.xml, which is the collection file. And the cool thing is it will automatically launch Rekordbox as well. All right, so now we are in Rekordbox, and I can go to Rekordbox.xml over in here. And if I go to all tracks, we're going to find all of the songs that we had earlier from our Serato library transferred over into here. And plus, we also have our playlist here, which is the disco playlist. So yeah, you got your songs over in there. Cool. So far, so good. Now let's try loading a song here. Stevie Nicks track. So as you can see, we've got all of our hotkeys here on screen, along with the corresponding colors. And we also have the labels. So I've got intro, verse, and outro. And as you can see, the other hotkey where I didn't add a label, it was just a timestamp. We have this. Now it's just a timestamp as well with the word DJQ over in there. So that's good. That means the hotkeys made the jump from Serato over onto Rekordbox. Now, before we end, let's just try this other song as well. So 3 hotkeys in there, along with the hotkey labels. So that's pretty good.